Hello everybody, it's Trevor Slesky once again, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Here I am at home. I just finished printing off the tournament package for our upcoming tournament day, May 25th, 2019, 10 o'clock. The army size is 1,000 points. The entry is $10 per person. We're going to be playing 3 battle rounds in the day. We're playing in Scorched Earth, page 55 of the General's Handbook, Knife to the Heart, page 50 of the General's Handbook, and Blood and Glory, page 312 of the core rulebook, with some additions from the Burning Catacombs, the Battle's Power book, page 62 to 63. And it's going to be fun. There is $100 in Games Workshop merchandise as prizes, $50 for first place, $30 for second place, $20 for third place. Okay, so if you've been following these videos here on my Facebook page and YouTube channel, you will know that I've been going through this tournament package over the last couple of days. This is the second to last sheet I'm going to be talking about, and then I've got to build those Baleful Realm gates, so I'll be doing some videos on that. Okay, but anyway, here we are now. Talking about Spells of the Realm. Now this is, of course, from the Malign Sorcery book. I happen to own that set, so I'm adding this into our tournament package just for the realm of Akshui, so that we can play there. Now I'm not going to read all of these because you'll have to come to the tournament and check it out, but I will read 2. So these are the spells. So if you have a wizard, and he just so happens to come to the tournament, and he's right in here in the realm of Akshui, the realm of fire, then he can cast 6 different spells here. So I will read one of them. Okay, we have Stoke Rage. Reaching into the minds of nearby warriors, the wizard amplifies their aggressive tendencies. Stoke Rage has a casting value of 6, so you roll 2 dice, and if you get a 6 or better, this thing will go off. And if there's no other enemy wizards close to dispel this thing, then this is what happens, okay? If successfully cast, pick a friendly unit within 12 inches of the caster that is visible to them. Okay, anyway, add 1 to wound rolls and charge rolls for that unit until your next hero phase. So if you guys are 10 inches away and you roll a 9, then with this spell they can add the extra 1 to that run so that you get in, and then add 1 to wound rolls. So if you guys are wounding on a 3, they will now be wounding on a 2. So that's a pretty decent spell. All right, so next I'll read the last one here. Incandescent Form. Speaking words of power, the wizard's body turns into incandescent liquid rock, blinding their enemies with their radiance. Incandescent Form has a casting value of 6. If successfully cast, subtract 1 from hit rolls for attacks that target the caster until your next hero phase. So this acts as a protection against your wizard, or protection for your wizard. So, we hope you can make it out to our great tournament. Coming up May 25th, 1,000 point army, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. right down at Monster Hobbies, and $10 entry fee. It's $100 worth of Games Workshop merchandise as prizing. So $50 for first, $30 for second, and $20 for third. So we hope to see you there, and have a good one.